W71L assembly instructions. Sling, rubber, batteries, 2 wrenches, the laser, and the screw. The bigger wrench can be utilized to open this because it gets a little hard. Once this is open, we insert the batteries, 3 of them. They come with the sling, and we screw it on. Once it's properly screwed, there's a button right here. Up and down, on and off. Done. Next. We screw it onto the sling right here. Simple. Goes right on. If we want to tighten it, we take the smaller wrench and voila, it's done. Take the laser and simply screw it on. And it's done. The laser works. Now it's off. Next part is the rubber band. We take one end. We have 2 holes here. Easy slip on. And then screw to the bottom hole as well. Repeat instructions on the other side. That's done. Ready for use.